Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can swap out the Brita little Memo indicator at the back here. So there's a good chance when you do this you are going to break it, but you're going to be replacing it completely. You would only be doing this once the battery goes flat. If it's still working and it's just gone down, all you have to do is hold down the start button, and then once you've changed your filter, these will grow from 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. They will then flash. That's when you let go and it will stay at 100% and start counting down again over the weeks. But if the display is completely gone, it means the battery's gone. And these batteries are not replaceable very easily. Most people just change out this completely. You can buy them from places like Amazon and eBay. We will put a link down in the description below. So if you have a look, can you see there's a little bit here that will allow you to get a flathead screwdriver in? So we're going to be putting it in here. This one isn't faulty, I'm doing this purely for the video, so I'm going to try not to break it. But you put it in here and you're going to lever it up. So you're going to be levering this up by going down on the screwdriver here. So I'm just going to, there we go. That came out very nicely. So that is it there. And you can see it's got the battery in here, but it's not something that's easy to replace. And then when you put it back in with the, so when you're reading it from the front of the machine, you're going to be reading it this way here, because otherwise if you put it in that way, it's going to be back to front from the front of the machine. So when you get your replacement one, you can give this a nice clean around here, because it'll probably be a bit of crud around the top. And then when you get your replacement one, you're just going to clip it back into place. So put it there like so and push down. Like that, and you can see it's nice and flush. So it's a nice easy thing to swap out. Thanks for watching.